Hi guys, this is Baby. Today I'm here to show you the exclusive collection of our cake toppers getting dispatched in super duper bulks. I'll just zoom into the pictures to show you each topper to the same. So now here we are having the kitty theme. As you can see, these cute little kitties, they all are paper cake toppers. These are layered ones. These are not printed. As you can see, these are layered. So you can see we're having a huge variety. This is the kitty theme. Moving towards the next. Here this is the super duper cute couple cake topper. You can see the super cute little heart here with the little umbrella and the little hair accessories. These are super cute. I'll just zoom into the picture to show you the same. It comes with clear acrylic bases so that you can easily put it into your cakes. Moving towards the next, this is the print and cut paper cake toppers. These are printed ones and these are super thick. These are 430 GSM papers. Moving towards the next, this is the super little cute sleeping baby on the moon cake topper here. This is the baby theme. Okay, this is again 430 GSM print and cut toppers. Along with this, here you are having the cute little stars, the golden stars that come along with it, the clouds that come along with it. I'll show you the sets likewise as it comes. All these three come into a set form. Okay, this is the pink angel cake topper. Along with this, you get these cute little hearts. Okay, this is the set that comes with the pink angel cake topper. Okay, moving towards the next. Here you are having these cute little golden cake toppers. Again, this is a layered cake topper. Okay, I hope it's visible. Netted golden cake topper. Other colors in this is also available. Moving towards the next, here we are having cute little babies. The baby cake toppers. This is the girl. You can see the girl written on the bottle and it comes out to be very elegant. Again, these are layered cake toppers. These are not the printed ones. These are the layered ones. This is the boy written on the bottle. The zinky elements here makes it more attractive. So I'll just zoom into to show you the beautiful bunch in the collection we are having here. Moving towards the next, this is the angel cake topper. Yeah, we are having super colorful cake toppers. This is the angel cake topper again, the blue color angel, and it comes with a super set of clouds and the birds and the stars. You can see all these comes into with the set of this angel cake topper. This is the set of the angel cake topper that it comes. Okay, 2 birds, 2 stars, 2 clouds and the angel. Moving towards the next, we are having this super colorful ballerina cake topper. The colorful rainbows. We are having a bunch of rainbows here. Then the cute little booties. Okay, then normally you have to place it like this. I'll just show you one of the placements. This is a rainbow. You have to place the booty here and the cute little ballerina would be dancing here along with the clouds and this side. I'll just show you, these are the clouds here. This is the pack of the ballerina that comes. And the ready pics, if you need, you can just ping us on the WhatsApp. We'll show you the exact placements of these cake toppers. This is another cake topper. This is in the blue theme of a girl holding a cute little kitty here. This is again the print and cut cake topper and the toppers are super thick. These are 430 GSM cake toppers. Moving towards the next, these are the winged cake toppers. The cute little angel wings. These are glittered. So you get it in sets, normally in pairs. Just put it this is one of the sets that we are having here. Okay, these are the pink angel wings, the wings for the unicorn. Okay, we also having the unicorn cake toppers. I'll just show you one. This is one of the unicorns. So the wings that is being used here, you can also use these wings instead of this. Okay, this is another themed cake toppers. You can see these babies, cute little babies. This is the boy and this is the girl. Okay, this is the girl cake topper and this is the boy. These are moving towards the next. We have cute little girl on the scooter theme here with a little kitty winking her eye. I hope it's visible. This is again the print and cut theme. Here we are having a beautiful collection, super duper beautiful collection of the butterflies. Again, these are layered butterflies and you can easily just put it up and this will come as layered. You can easily put it, yeah, it will stay like this. You're having amazing colors and designs in it. This is another design in the butterfly. That was one. You can again just pull the wings up. Okay, just a second, I'll pull it up. So these are the butterflies here. You can just see, you just lift the golden sheet up and it will stay like this. We have an amazing collection in the butterflies. I'll just zoom into the picture to show you the same. These are the single layered butterflies here. If you need the solid pieces or the designer pieces, either it be glittered or it be plain paper or it be cardstocks. We have an amazing collection in the butterfly section, the single layered and the double layered. Moving towards the next, these are the super cute unicorns and the colors that the unicorn carries are super subtle and beautiful ones. I'll just quickly show you one. This is one of the unicorn cake toppers. The clouds are attached. These are again the layered cake toppers and it goes well with the unicorn themed cakes. Moving towards the next, I'll quickly show you the sets that come along with the unicorns. You get these stars and the clouds. This is the clouds and the stars that you get along with the unicorn. Moving towards the next, we have these cute little ballerina cake toppers. You can see the beautiful colors in it. This is the golden with red. I'll just quickly pick up one to show you. These are the dancing ballerina cake toppers with the red colored dress. You also having the silver and the pink. You can see here. You also have the red with the white and the cute little bow here. You can just, I just zoom into the picture to show you the same. You also have the pink with white. You can see the beautiful combinations that we have given. This is the black with the yellow one and this is one of my personal favorites. It looks very elegant on it. Moving towards the next, we have these couple themed cake toppers with this wedding dress. The girl's wearing a wedding dress kind of. And this is the acrylic cake topper. This is not a paper one. We have a wide range in the acrylic cake toppers also, plus the layered, plus the foamed, plus the papered. We are a sole manufacturing base, so any design basically can be customized. These are print and cuts again. You can see the cute little red girl holding the red kitty. We have an entire range in it. Moving towards the next. Now this is the Mickey Mouse theme. You can see the houses, the balloons, the Mickey Mouse here and the Minnie Mouse here. I'll just quickly pick up one to show you. This is the Minnie Mouse here. Now this is the Mickey Mouse. For the arrangement of the cake toppers, you can ping us personally on the WhatsApp so that we can show you the beautiful arrangements that we have created out of these. This is the house, this is the balloon. Moving towards the next, I'll just quickly move on to show you the couple themed cake toppers. This is one of the most prettiest couples that we have in the print and the cut section. As we've seen the couple cake toppers there, you're also having one more couple cake topper here. This is also very pretty. The girl is holding a cute little bouquet here. Moving towards the next, we have the ballerina cake topper. The girl is giving a pose for the ballerina. Okay, you also get a clear acrylic stick here, and it can be customized in any colors. So do ping us on WhatsApp or on Facebook for more details. Now this is a girl sitting on a gift box. Again, it's super cute, and the girl on a gift box. Now this is again one more couple cake topper here. I'll just show you. You can see here. Okay, this is again the print and the cut section that we are having. Now moving towards the next, you can see the wide collection that we are having in the cake toppers. This is again a couple cake topper here. I'll just zoom into the picture to show you. Just have a look at this cute little couple. The girl is winking away, smiling and blushing away. Moving towards the next, we are having this kitty theme that I had shown you in the initiation of this video. You also have this cute little small kitty that comes with 2 balloons and this entire range of flowers that come along with this set. This is a set cake topper again for the kitty theme, and you get this small little kitty with the 2 balloons. This kitty plus these flowers come into it. Okay, so now this was our super collection of our exclusive cake toppers. Ping us on our WhatsApp for more details, sizes, colors, etc. Good day. Thank you for joining with us.